Okay, so we have Yug, Rehan in the classroom, and we have Manvi on the screen, and some more kids will come as time passes by. So let's get started. We'll quickly check the tables for you guys. Okay. So Manvi, did you memorize tables? Okay, unmute yourself. You're on mute. I cannot hear you.
Yes.
Yeah. So table till which number?
6.
6. 3 5 ja.
15.
4 9 ja.
36.
5 4 ja.
20.
3 8 ja.
24.
Okay. 5 9 ja.
45.
Okay. Okay. 8 it will be gone. This guy. Okay. 6 4 ja. Can you do one thing? Sit closer to this guy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 2 9 ja.
18.
6 7 ja. 42. Okay, good job. So it seems like you have been practicing tables. That's a good sign. Okay. Now let's go to Yug. Table till.
Still 11.
Sit down. You don't have to jump. Okay. 5 9 ja.
5 9 45.
6 7 ja.
6 7
Disconnect and join.
42. 6 42.
7 9 ja.
7 9 7 9 63.
8 8 ja.
80 just 64.
You stop dancing in the class, Yug.
I said 80 just 64.
Put the pen down. Yep. Can you hear me now? Kaniska? Can you hear me now? Increase your volume. Look at your volume. Hey Divyans.
I can hear you now.
You can hear me now? So you had muted the volume and then you were saying that you're not able to hear me. Okay, I see one more student. Okay. All right. So 8 7 ja. You stop playing, you. Can you keep anything that creates problem for you, you have to keep it away from you. For telling me the tables, do you need the pen? Do you need the pen? No, then why are you always disturbing the whole class? Keep your hands away from the pen. 9 4 ja. 9 4 ja.
Me?
Whom I'm talking to right now?
Oh. 9 4 36.
7 8 ja.
7 8 56.
Okay. 11 8 ja.
88.
6 7 ja.
6 7 42.
8 6 ja.
8 6 48.
8 6 ja. 48. 9 9 4 ja.
9 4
Zen
Yes.
video on. Okay.
Yes,
Good
yes.
job. Okay, good job. Okay, let me do one thing. I'm closing the garage door so that the mosquitoes inside get the treatment. Okay. So let me do one thing.
Sir, flies
What is that?
can still get in.
What is that?
Flies can still fly or get in from there.
Do I need your expert advice?
No.
No. Then just keep quiet. Focus on math. You are getting distracted by a lot of things, Yog. And you're not only getting distracted, you're bothering the whole class. Today is the last day. If you keep on repeating, I'll tell mommy, I will just say thank you to your mommy and say, okay, fine, you should not come to the class. I'm okay having one student less in the class, but I will not tolerate indiscipline, okay? And I'm being super serious, this is recorded also. If I see you making same mistakes over and over again, if I see you making noise, disturbing the class, I will just say sorry to mommy. And I'm being super serious, I'm not kidding. Okay? Sit properly. Sit properly. As if you are punished right now. Okay. Table till.
5.
4 5 ja.
20.
5 9 ja.
45.
3 7 ja.
21.
5 8 ja.
40.
3 8 ja.
24.
Good job. Alright. So let's go to. Okay, again, don't lean on the table. Keep it closer to you so that don't keep falling. Kanishka, ready? Unmute yourself. Table till. Table till. Say it properly, beta, okay? Now 5. 4 5 ja.
20,
5 3 ja.
15,
3 8 ja.
it is 24,
Okay. 5 7 ja.
35,
4 9 ja.
20,
4 9 ja.
4, 9,
Mm-hmm.
it is 30, 36,
36. Yeah. So you have done a better job today, but I want you to practice more. Okay? Everybody has to keep on practicing anyways. Let's go to Divyans. Unmute yourself, Divyans. Yeah. Table till
6,
6. 4 8 ja. I could not hear you, Divyans. Did you say something? 4 8 ja. $32. 3 8 ja.
24,
5 4 ja.
20,
3 7 ja.
21,
Okay. 2 8 ja. One more. Put one more.
On my leg.
Put one more wherever. If you want to put in your neck, that is also okay. Okay. 6 3 there. Is mosquito still around you? No, that's I was just kidding.
18.
8. Okay. So Divyans, you know the tables, but practice is missing. You have to practice. Okay. Naira, table till
6.
6 4 5 there.
20.
3 8 there.
24.
4 7 there.
28.
3 9 there.
27.
5 5 there.
30.
6 8 there. Do one thing, Rehan, can you come to this side? Stay a little away from the corner. Maybe that might help. Okay. 6 8 there. 48. Yep. So practice, everybody. I know you guys are working on it, but little bit more focus, little bit more energy, little bit more fun. Okay? Zayan, table till. Unmute yourself first, otherwise I'll not be able to hear you.
4.
4. How long you will stay till 4?
What?
How long you will stay on 4?
I don't know.
No, it's not about I don't know, it's about you practicing it. Oh, he got disconnected. Let him join back. Aniket, how about you? Table till?
5.
5? You told me table till 8 last time.
I don't know the number.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. 5 4 ja.
20.
6 3 ja.
18.
7 4 ja.
7 4 ja. भूल गया.
28. 5 9 ja.
5 9 ja. 45.
3 8 ja.
What was the question again?
6 3 8 ja.
3 ja.
If you will keep that wrapper at least 1 meter away from you, that will help. Not you, but the whole class.
24.
24. 6 9 ja.
भूल गया.
54. Practice, practice, practice. Everybody practice. Okay, Zayan, unmute yourself. I said unmute, don't disconnect, okay? This time. Table till.
I've been out of time on my iPad. That's why I disconnected.
Oh, that means you were playing with your iPad for some time. Okay.
No, my mom and dad said I could use it for a while, and then when there was the math class, I just shut that. So
Okay.
my mom and dad just shut that off, and then I went on to this.
Okay, table till.
4.
4. Next class, next Monday, I want to hear 5, okay? Because 4, if you guys stay till 4, I am stuck. I'm not able to teach you guys anything. Okay? So, 4 5 ja. How much? You also bhul gaya? 3 8 ja.
3 times 8. 20.
24. 4 5 ja. 3 7 ja.
21.
2 9 ja.
18.
3 5 ja.
15.
4 3 ja. 12.
What?
12. So, I'm expecting you to go till 5. You are stuck till 4 itself. And we are meeting only once in a week. And then we learn something. Between the two classes, we have 7 days. I want you guys to spend those 5-10 minutes every day. Otherwise, yeah.
I never practice.
Huh?
I never practice.
You never do practice? You need to. Everybody needs to practice. 5 minutes of practice every day. Rich girl, Kaniska, don't. Okay, go ahead. You want to go to restroom?
Yes.
Go ahead. Okay, so one thing I will say, I'll repeat, I'll keep on repeating till you guys get tired and annoyed. That you have to practice tables for 5 minutes every day. I'm not very happy with most of you. I'm not saying all of you, I'm saying most of you. Because we are forgetting tables, we are taking a lot of time. If this is the pace at which we continue, I can guarantee that we can start multiplication after 6 months only. And the minimum I need from you guys is, everybody knows table till at least 9. And we have 2.5, maybe let's say 2.5 months. Let's say before we finish this year 2025. If everybody memorized table till 9, and that is only 5 minutes of effort every day, okay? And don't play with a pencil, that might go in your eyes, it will hurt you. Don't do that, put it down. So everybody has to memorize table till 9, otherwise we cannot do multiplication. And if you cannot do multiplication, we cannot do division also. My goal is, I should teach you guys multiplication, division before end of this year. Meaning before end of your school year. And that can happen only when, don't ask the question, that is not for you. You're running behind on what you have to learn. So for you it's a different thing, for everybody else. Okay? Alright? Can I get a promise, a pinky promise from everybody that you guys are going to practice table for 5 minutes every day without fail? Sure?
What do you mean of fail?
Without fail meaning, don't say that I forgot.
Oh.
When do you fail? When you make a mistake. So I'm saying without fail, meaning without making a mistake, without forgetting, without trying. Alright?
Understand? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So before end of this year, before you guys go on Christmas break, so we will have 2 breaks. One break in Thanksgiving. There will be no class during Thanksgiving. And there will be 1 break in Christmas. There will be no class during the Christmas week. Now the thing is, before we break for Christmas and New Year, I want everybody to memorize table till 9. And when I say table till 9, I am saying 9 7s are 63, 8 9s are 72, 7 7s are 49.
I can't even do 7 or 8.
What is that?
I can't even do 7 or 8.
You can't do 7 or 8? I cannot make rockets because I have not studied how to make rockets. Similarly, you cannot do 7 and 8 because you have not tried doing it. When you do it, you learn it. As simple as that. Okay? Yeah?
But I can do it in 2 months.
I'm sorry?
I can do it in 2 months.
2 months, you can do it in 2 weeks
No.
by putting 5 minutes of effort. Okay? Alright, so let's start. What we want to learn today? what I will do is, let me give some problems to you because I don't want to teach this to you. Get up, you're not here to sleep, get up. 6, 7, 8, 45. Multiply these two. 8, 9, 5, multiply by 376. These two problems I want you to solve, and then I want you to add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay? These 3 problems you solve while I am teaching the kids other things, okay?
Sir, you know the one like the, if you don't do this the one, I forgot how to do it like that.
Give it a try. See, you cannot keep on forgetting.
No, I did forget these, like these was not for like the one.
Give it a try. Go wrong. Then I will teach you. I have taught the same thing to you. Do you know how many times? At least 20 times. If you keep forgetting, then we are not doing it right. Give it a try. Try recalling, try doing it. Okay, guys, everybody here. So you focus on solving these 3 problems. Do whatever you want to do. Make mistake. I'll come back to you. Okay? Rehan, you here. So now, do I have everybody's focus and attention here? Rich girl, Kanishka. Kanishka is super rich. I can borrow money from her. Okay. Alright, so let's start. What we want, see, we have learned how to do addition, subtraction, how to do borrowing, how to do carry forward and all. Now, today we want to learn something different. Something different. And that is where we, let's say if I say 5, is it just a number? Yeah? If I say 7, this is just a number. If you want to add these two, you guys know how to add it. But if I want to represent these numbers in a different form, let's say something called, I want to represent 5 cars. Okay? I will say, let's say I am buying car every month, okay? I am super rich like Kanishka, okay? And I'm buying car every month. Okay? So let's say in the month of January, and don't make any sound. I don't like any sound. I bought some cars in February. I bought some cars in March. I bought few cars in April. I bought few cars in May. Okay? 5 months. Okay? Okay, guys, stop dancing. Kanishka, don't dance. Pay attention to what I'm doing right now. So I'm saying that I became as rich as Kanishka and I'm buying cars every month. This is my car. Does it look like a car? Somewhat? Okay, this is a Cybertruck. Okay, don't keep making that extra sound. That sound effect is not needed. What do you see here? I bought 3 cars in January. I did not buy any car in February. I bought 1 car in March. And I bought 2 more cars again in April. How many cars do I have right now?
6.
Yeah? Does it look like math?
Yes.
It doesn't look like math actually.
Kind of.
Kind of math. It's a different way to represent something. It is called pictograph. When I'm using pictures, to represent some number or represent some data. Yes, Jan.
My teacher in my class calls it a pictorial model.
Say it one more time.
My teacher in my class calls it a pictorial model.
Picture model, picture graph, pictograph, they are different names. Okay? So whatever you remember is fine. But what I'm trying to say here is, when you don't represent numbers, when you use pictures for representing numbers, that is called picture graph or pictograph or picture model, whatever you call it. Okay? So there are different types of graph that we use for representing numbers. So right now what you are seeing is a picture graph. Let's say your teacher or your dietitian or your doctor has told you to eat 1 apple every day. Okay? Or eat some fruits every day. Let's say you are eating grapes every day. Okay? Let's say Manvi is eating grapes every day. Okay? And she is keeping a record of that. Okay? Let's say Monday to Friday. This is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, and this is Friday. Manvi ate 6 grapes on Monday, 3 grapes on Tuesday, 7 grapes on Wednesday, 4 grapes on Thursday, and only 2 grapes on Friday. Yep, yeah, Naira. Unmute and tell what you want to tell.
On Wednesday, you actually ate 8.
Okay, 8. That's fine. So basically, counting is different. I'm not worried about that. This is for Manvi, okay? This is Manvi. If I am eating, I will eat much more than that, right? To stay as fat as I am. Yeah? So, on a serious note, what you are seeing here is you have some pictures that you use for representing some information, for showing some information, that is why it is called picture graph. Picture graph or pictogram. Why do we use this? Because this makes it easy to understand. If I would have written 3 lines, Rehan, here. Pay attention to what I'm doing right now. Are you trying something or you're just waiting for some magic to happen? Okay. Finish both. 3 problems are given to you. Try all of them. So, what is the reason why we are using pictograph or pictogram is because if I write a story for you guys, say, okay, you know what, I became super rich, got a lot of money and I started buying cars every month. In the month of January, I bought 3 cars, out of which one was a Tesla Cybertruck. In the month of February, I did not buy anything. In the month of March, I bought 1 car. And again in April, I bought 2 more cars. This kind of paragraph, if I write, reading that would be difficult. It will take time for you to understand. But what I did, I just put a graph like this. Without me saying those 7-8 sentences, just by reading this, you can say, okay, in January, 3 cars, no car in February, 1 car in March, 2 cars in April. Just by looking at this picture, see, that's why people say pictures speak 1,000 words. If you just look at this graph, even without worrying about me being here or not being here, you can figure out how many cars were bought in each month. Similarly, by looking at this graph, if I say this is for Manvi, just by looking at this one, you can figure out how many grapes did she eat on Thursday. See, I was saying Manvi ate 7 grapes on Wednesday, but Naira corrected me saying, no, it's not 7 grapes, it is 8 grapes, because she could see the picture and figure it out. Yeah? So that is the advantage or the beauty of this pictograph. It is more like when you see pictures, right? From the picture you can make out, okay, this is my family member, these are my friends. Somebody is putting a glass, somebody is... Jan, stop doing that. Okay. So, basically from the pictures, it's easy to understand the information. It's easy to figure out what is being represented. Is that okay? Now, I'll give you guys a puzzle. Let's try solving the puzzle. And I will not tell you guys anything, but from the picture, let's see who tells me what story. Okay, I will draw a picture, I will draw a graph, and I would want you guys to tell me what you are reading from this. Zan, ready to go to bed? You look sleepy? Okay. Are you Zan?
No.
Focus on your math that is given to you. Okay, I have drawn a graph here. I'm just reading it for you guys, okay? Number of new COVID cases in Texas in 2021. 2021. Few years ago, when some of you were just like babies, okay? Babies, somebody trying to learn how to walk, some of you trying to figure out how to speak few words. So in 2021, you all know what is COVID, right?
Yeah.
Everybody knows what was COVID?
Yeah.
Okay. So you focus on those three problems, okay? So I'm saying number of new COVID cases in Texas in 2021. January 1000, February 500, March 700, April 200, May 20. Now can you guys tell me some story out of it? What is that you understand from this graph that you see? Yes, Naira, go ahead.
I just wanted to tell you, in 2021, I actually started learning tables.
Wonderful. Now in 2025, I'm trying to teach you guys graph. So there is a graph that I have plotted here, where I put some numbers. I want you guys to read this and tell me what is the story that you can tell me. Yes, Kanishka, go ahead.
This draft I learned that there is like points, like the draft has like how much it is and everything, the lines and all that.
No, you have not told me any story so far.
Oh, the story, okay. The story is that,
Yeah,
the
you want
story
to?
is that one time.
Yeah.
Can I go after?
You both stay there. I'll put a TV there. You can do the class from bathroom itself.
Okay.
Careful. Yep. Yeah, Kanishka, you have not completed your story.
My story is that once, so there's ears, and then my story is that the ears, we're comparing the ears, how much. So one time a girl had to buy some how much did she get every year, and then it's what.
No, you are going in a different direction. Let's see what Jan has to say. Jan, go ahead. Tell me, what do you read from this graph? How do you tell me what you read here?
I read that it's like going down on one, and then it's going up, and then it just goes down.
Okay. Let's see what Divyans will say. Divyans, tell me how do you want to teach me from this graph?
Oh. By points.
Yeah?
How many points there are in each line?
Not points, but I'm saying that you see something here, right? When you have something written on a piece of paper, you read it, right? Right now we have a graph here. I want you guys to read it and tell me what you find from this graph. Like when I was showing you the picture graph where we had cars, I told you, okay, I bought this many cars in January, this many cars in February, this many cars in March. So from this graph, do you see something? What do you read? Now, Manvi, any thoughts? Aniket? Aniket, what do you see in this graph? Can you tell me what do you understand from this graph?
I don't really understand anything.
You don't understand anything? I also don't understand anything. What will we do? Okay. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. So, okay, now guys, pay attention to what I'm saying. Rehan, mosquitoes are not bothering anymore, right? Yeah, so pay attention to this one. Now, so everybody, Naira, Divyans, Aniket, Manvi, Kanishka, everybody here. So, now look at this. What did I write here? Number of new COVID cases in Texas in 2021. So, we are talking about the year 2021. Okay? Number of new COVID cases, right? If somebody is sick and the doctor says, oh, he has COVID. Okay, fine. No, they'll get the treatment and they'll be fine. It's like cough and cold. So this one is representing number of new COVID cases in 2021 in Texas. Now when you look at this, in January, 1,000. So that means in January there were 1,000 new cases identified. 1,000 new people fell sick and got COVID. In the month of February, that came down to 500. So there were 500 new people who fell sick and got COVID in the month of February. In March, 700, meaning in the month of March, 700 new people were diagnosed with COVID. So they got COVID. In April, 200 new people fell sick and were diagnosed with COVID. In the month of May, only 20. Okay, this is the information that we have on the board. I'm just reading it, okay? I'm not making up anything. Now, so first thing is, I did not tell you guys a big story. There was a COVID, it was a bad disease, and every month we used to have a lot of people falling sick. Texas, we had a lot of cases. No, I did not say all that. I just plotted this graph. By looking at this graph, you can say, okay, January this many cases, February this many cases, March this many cases, April this many cases, May this many cases. Is that part okay so far? Divyas, Naira, Manvi, everybody understands it? Aniket?
Not really.
Are you with me or you are somewhere else, Aniket?
Trying.
So first keep your video on. That's one most important thing. And your eyes should be glued onto the screen, looking at what I'm trying to explain. Otherwise, it'll be difficult. Okay? So Naira also did not understand it?
Well, I'm not the teacher
Oh,
here.
I'm sorry?
I'm not the teacher here, so I don't really have to pay attention. All I have to do is really listen to me.
So Aniket, let's not waste our energy and time discussing about something that is not important. Keep your video on. Okay? I want everybody to have full attention in the class. Then only whatever I say would make any sense to anybody. Okay? Could you please turn your video on? Yeah, that's better. Now, I did not teach you guys anything. What I did was, I wrote one line here. Aniket, what happened to your video, beta? And come a little closer to the camera so I can see your face also. Because when I see your faces, I can make out whether you guys are able to follow me or I'm getting you guys more confused. That's why I insist on, yeah. Okay, I'll come to you. When it's time, I'll come to you. Just give me 2 more minutes. So here, I have written one line. Number of new COVID cases in Texas in 2021. That's a simple line. No playing with emojis. No disturbing things. Number of new COVID cases in Texas in 2021. Okay? Yeah, Jen. Unmute yourself quickly. You have raised your hand.
Oh, I need to go to the restroom.
If you have to go to the restroom, you don't have to ask for it. Just click on this and go.
No, that's what I was doing. I clicked on
Okay,
the
go ahead. Let's not waste time. So, this first line, Aniket, it says number of new COVID cases in Texas in 2021. I have written one line in English that everybody understands here. Then I have put these bars here. This bar is longer because it's representing a bigger number, 1,000. This bar is
They
short.
bought that many cars.
I'm sorry?
You bought that many cars in January.
Am I saying cars right now? I did not say cars. I said this is the number of new COVID cases in Texas in 2021. And COVID. COVID is a disease. It's an infection. It's like cough and cold.
That's how much it happened in Texas in 2021.
So Aniket, let's not try to verify whether the data is correct or not. I'm just representing something. I want you guys to focus on understanding it rather than trying to see whether it was 1,000 or 1,200. Okay, let's not worry about that. Focus on the information we have. This information could be right or wrong. Don't worry about it. Okay. Okay. Can you guys all pay attention to what I'm saying? Where did Manvi go? Okay, so here let me repeat one more time. I have written one line because if I just put a graph, that will not make sense to anybody. So that's why I am saying that this graph is representing the number of COVID cases in Texas in 2021. And then I am saying, okay, in January I had a number 1,000. That's why I put a bigger bar. In the month of February, it's a 500. So this many new patients were found in the month of February. So it's a smaller bar. In the month of March, there were 700 cases. So that is bigger than 500 but smaller than 1,000. So you see the bar is bigger than 500 but smaller than 1,000 bar. Then in April, 200 new patients were found who were diagnosed with COVID. 200. So this 200 is smaller number, so smaller than 500 bar. 20. And in the month of, what is that?
So that's how much COVID that happens in each month.
So you are going in the wrong direction, Aniket. You are certainly going in the wrong direction.
I'm trying to understand.
So let me tell you one thing. Right now, let's see, even if it is 200 patients or 600 patients, does it matter to you or me? Neither you are a doctor nor I am a doctor. We cannot treat them. This is just an information for us. Okay? So I'm just sharing information. You and I don't have to waste our energy to figure out whether this information is correct or not. So, Aniket, if you don't understand it now, you always have an option of watching the video later on to understand it. But please make sure that you are not having any parallel talk. Otherwise, the whole class will not be able to learn anything. Is that okay?
I'll try to understand.
You try to understand, but stay on mute and make sure that you're not having two parallel talks. Otherwise, whatever time you spend with me, that will be a waste of time. That's it.
Okay.
So, is everybody with me so far? Did you guys have repeated this whole thing 3-4 times? Let me do one more time. Okay? I'll go slow. I have drawn something on the board, okay? And this will make no sense to anybody. That is why I am saying what I have drawn. Okay? So I am saying that this graph that we have below is showing number of new COVID cases in Texas in 2021. This means, or let me do one thing. You guys have wasted a lot of time thinking about COVID. Okay? Let me say number of kids in different elementary school. Okay? This is school 1, this is school 2, this is school 3, this is school 4, this is school 5. Okay? Is that okay now? Number of kids in the elementary school in different schools. There is one school which has 1,000 kids. There is another school which has 500 kids. There is another school which has 700 kids. There is another school which has 200 kids. And there is one school which has only 20 kids. Yeah? Now, if you look at this graph, are you able to understand which school has the maximum number of kids? Which school has maximum number of kids? Can anybody tell me?
Number 1.
Yaniket. Yep.
School number 1.
1. Okay. Which school has the least number of kids?
Number 5.
Okay. Naira? Yeah, 5. Okay. Divyans, which school has 500 kids? Divyans.
Number 2.
Number 2. Which school has 200 kids? Zan. 4. Aniket, what's the difference in number of students between school number 1 and school number 4? Aniket, you can unmute yourself and tell me.
800 difference.
Okay. Kanishka, what's the difference between the highest school with the highest number of students and the school with the lowest number of students?
The difference is that the highest number of kids in number 1 is, it has a, what is the number on number 1 school?
If you take that flower out, you'll be able to hear me better. Okay, yeah.
What is the number?
This is a number that I have told 5 times. I'm not going to repeat. What do you see?
I see 1,000.
That's what it is.
Okay, 1,000 in school number 1 and 5 and 20, and the difference is that it's the number that has 20, school number 5 has less, and then the number.
How much is the difference? How much is the difference?
It is
Naira?
900.
Yes, then. Nothing will change for you. Nothing will change for you. Trust me. Yeah. Yeah, Zan.
980.
Zan, is that your number as well? Yep. Okay. Now, Manvi, tell me what is the difference in number of students between school 2 and 4? Unmute yourself and then tell me. Yeah, Naira, okay, go ahead.
300.
Divyans, how much is the difference?
300 also.
So, see, now everybody here. So, by looking at this picture alone, how easy it was for you guys to answer different questions, right? Because this picture makes it very clear. And depending on the number that we're talking about, how big or small the bar is, you can see. If it's a big number, you'll have a bigger bar. If it's a very small number, you'll have a smaller bar. So this is called a bar graph. So there are two types of graphs we talked about. We talked about picture graph or pictogram, and we talked about bar graph that you're seeing right now. When you have bars, the candy bars. Yeah? So this is called bar graph. Now the thing is, you don't have to worry about how to make this, how this comes into picture and all that. When you guys grow up, you will understand. I'll teach you guys more about it. But for now, the key thing is, this is just a way to represent information. By looking at the graph, by looking at the picture, you can understand a lot of things about the information that is there on in front of you. Okay? So, bar graph and picture graph. Now, let me give you guys one. So, Aniket, are you clear now? Aniket, are you clear now?
Oh no. Sir, what about this?
I said I'll come to you, right? Yeah? Did I not? Okay, I'll come to you. I said, I mean it. I'll come to you. Hold it there. Aniket, are you clear now? Say yes or no. I'm sorry?
A little.
A little. Rest of the little you can follow or understand when you watch the video of the class again. With more focus, with more, what do you call? Concentration, okay? If you do 5 things together, you'll not understand anything. That's where I request you guys to do one thing at a time.
Okay.
Now, I want each one of you to make a small picture graph where you will talk about me, your teacher who eats a lot. Okay? I ate 5 kilograms of apples on Monday, 2 kilograms, or let me not say 2 kilograms, 5 apples on Monday, 2 apples on Tuesday, 8 apples on Wednesday, and 0 apples on Thursday. I had a fast, and on Friday I ate only 1 apple. I want you guys to draw something like what I was doing with the picture graph, and let's see how do you guys do it. Okay? Now show me what you have done.
I said I did.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
I did that.
Let me see. From where did this one come? From where did this one come?
This one?
This one. See,
I think it was 13.
no, this is not. So, see, look at this. 5, 8. First, you are actually, but I don't know.
Oh, I carried forward. From here.
Okay. Let's look at it. 5. See that gap away. That's our enemy. 5 8 are 40. 4 carry forward. 5 7 is 35 plus 4 39. You have written 9. 3 carry forward. 5 6 is 30 plus 3 33. This is fine. Don't write it here. Maybe you can write it here so that it's less confusing. Now, then you left one place. Here. 4 8 is 32. 3 carry forward. 4 7 is 38. 28 plus 3, 31. 4, 8 is 32. 3 carry forward. 4, 7 is 28 plus 3, 31. You have to write 1. You wrote 2, 31. And now 4, 6 is 24. Sorry. 4, 6 is 24 plus 3, 27. So this instead of 1, you have written 0. And this is where 0, 9 plus 2, 11, 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5. You repeat 5. 7 plus 3, 0. So you know it. Now the problem is with concentration. You did not concentrate well. So here also I see that you have done it following the same. When I am doing one thing, I am doing only that thing. That is where, see, this answer could have been perfect, but you went wrong. Why? Because when I was doing it, when I was teaching other kids other things, when you were waiting for me, why did you not verify the answer? So, see, one good thing is you know how to do it. Now the problem is you are not paying attention. Your biggest problem is focus. Seriously. If I start watching video when I am teaching you guys, imagine what I will be teaching you guys. You stop talking and start thinking better. This is a big problem. I am really concerned about you. I don't know if you are concerned about yourself or not. So, you know it. Now you have to learn how to pay attention and how to focus on that. What happened to the third problem? 1.5 plus 1.5. How much is that?
I told you, I forgot how to do it. I don't remember.
Then what to do? Fraction I have taught at least 4 times in the class. Okay, let's see if anybody finished that picture graph. Show me what you guys did. Do you remember how to do LCM?
Yes.
Not for you, I'm asking you.
I think so.
Then start from there. Look at the denominators and find out the LCM of 2 and 2. What is the LCM of 2 and 2? Yep, yes, Zan, show me.
So I put the Monday by, okay, I think I might have to show this to you.
So what I can, okay, so do one thing. Everybody, whatever you've done in the notebook, send me a picture of that, taking help from your parents, okay? Not right now after the class, okay? Class is about to get over. So I want everybody to send me the picture graph that you have done, okay? Take a picture, send it to me on WhatsApp, okay? Because I might not be able to see it well from the screen, okay? Alright? So everybody, Manvi, Divyans.
I can post it up.
What is that?
I can post it.
Don't get very creative, just send it to me, taking help from your parents, okay? I want to see if you guys have understood this or not, okay? Alright? So, with that being said, I will let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your evening. I'll send you guys some assignment also. I want you guys to deal with picture graph, bar graph. I'll give you guys some problems. But, do it. See, there's nothing difficult that we have learned. It's about how do you read the picture well. Okay? Alright?